All right, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader, here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Glad you stopped by, guys. But as an Elliott Wave trader, we look at the market through a lens of 5s and 3s, and we put them together and see where the market might be going. Guys, what I'm going to do is refer you to a live stream that I just finished with my people. Just want to give you the information. Didn't have time to make a special video for you, but I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what you get in the Discord. It was just a quick evening update tonight, so just want to share it with you guys. It's a great time to join the Discord if you're not part of it. You want to learn how to trade with good risk management, with low risk setups as well, and make some money in this environment. We'd love to help you out with that. If you're struggling as a trader, love to have you. Hey, the last 7 days of June are free. For anybody that signs up on my Patreon in the last 7 days, we'll get you into the Discord and we'll refund your money on July the 1st. And then so once your July 1st payment of Patreon goes through, I'll refund your June payment. And basically, you just get an extra week free. So if you want to join the Patreon, now's a great time to do it. It's the end of the month sale. All right, with that said, leave a like, subscribe, share the love in the comments, guys. My life is crazy. We're moving to Michigan. We're packing, and I just sold the couch where I sleep is gone. So I don't have a bed anymore. So anyway, pray for us, all my praying friends out there, and we'll see what we can do getting the videos out more and more often once we get to Michigan. All right, you guys have a great day. Enjoy the video to follow. All right, everybody, good afternoon, evening, whatever time it is for you, morning, wherever you are in the world. It is June the 23rd here in the United States. Central Time is the evening update. Hope y'all are doing well. All right, what's happening in this wave here? What is going on? Well, not sure. The wave count offers some ideas here. So we did take this short in Elite, and we already took profit, figuring we'd get a retrace of some kind. Man, I don't know what to do with this, guys. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing with this trash right here? Looks like 3 to me, so I'm going to count it as 3. Another way to look at it is, come on, some kind of 3-wave there, and maybe that's a 3-wave. But my problem is this didn't turn out to be 3 waves. At least it doesn't look like it, unless you're going to call this 3 right there. So it could be the case that this is boom, 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 just like that. And it's done. Came to the 1-to-1 extension, came to the golden zone. You can see the golden zone there. Retrace. I got the retrace on there. So it's possible that wave is finished. We went ahead and took the short on the fact that it was so overbought on the 5-minute, and there was divergence. There was a spike to the high there, and there was divergence. So that was a nice short. Again, I took profit, made 100% on that trade, 100% of what I risked. So that was good. But I'm not sure what that wave structure is. I don't have certainty on it. So again, you can still trade in that environment, guys. You can still trade an environment that you don't completely understand the wave structure. Just wait till you see the signals. Like, I didn't exactly know what I was looking for here in this wave. I didn't exactly know, but I saw the signal. We were overbought big time. It was really high, and we had the divergence, and then we had to break a structure. So it was a clear short for us, and I just took profit. Yeah, I just let it go 1%. And I took profit. So if you guys are just, again, I just want to keep encouraging you to, even if you don't know, and there's a lot of I don't know burgers right now. I'm offering ideas, and I've been pretty right in my ideas. But that being said, when you don't know what the market's doing, you can still trade in this environment. So just want to keep encouraging you along those lines. Shoot for 1 to 3% moves. We're probably going to get a lot of oscillation, a lot of up and down in this area. So that's actually really good for you, especially, because if you get a trade wrong and you get stuck in it, you wait long enough, it'll come back if you know it's oscillating. So it's kind of an area where you can really, when you're in a 4th wave, it's really nice to know where you're going. All right. So here's what I know. Let's back out. Let me just show you what I know about wave structure here, and what I don't know. So what I don't know is I don't know if that's 5 or 3. Okay, I'm inclined to say 5. Okay, that looks like an impulse, 3-wave pullback. That looks like an impulse for a wave 3. Looks like a maybe that's really, really ugly, but maybe that's a 4th wave, and then maybe we got a 5th wave. And it's all ugly as crap, but nevertheless, that might be the case. This, to me, what I do believe, that is a solid impulse wave. I think that's an impulse. So, and it goes all the way down to here. All right? Now, the question of the day is this the 3-wave pullback that we were looking for? Totally could be, which puts me taking this wave back to the downside like that. So we got an A, we just got the 3 waves, and now we're going C. Okay, A, B, C. And if this is a 5-wave move, okay, we got 3 waves coming back, and then we're looking for a long after that. Boom, 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 like so. Okay, possible. That's an idea. Okay, what else could happen here? Well, this could get more complex and retrace higher. In other words, we could get some kind of an intermediate wave, okay, with another hit to the high, all right, and then that becomes a 3-wave move as well. They could take time in that. So I really don't know. I don't have any certainty as to what's going on in here. Just a couple of ideas. Could be done with 3 waves, and now we go down, or this might become more complex. Could get a flat in here, could get a WXY, any number of things, right? So not sure. Let's look at the small time frame, see what's cooking here. All right, on the 1-minute chart, looks like we got a nice 5-wave move with a 3-wave pullback. Now, if this is anything like the previous move that we had to the downside, come on, where we had what looked like a finished move, and then it gave us a 3 waves and then hit us again. So we can watch out for that on the small time frame fractal. In other words, watch out for a potential hit to the low here. Then you get a 3-wave pullback. So this could hit the low one more time. In other words, this could be wave 4. We hit the low, 3-wave pullback, and then we go. Okay? So that might be the shenanigans we're going to be watching for tonight in tonight's wave. Personally, I'm going to let this develop. I'm out of the market. I'm going to stay out of the market until this develops, and I want to see what this is going to do. If this is going to come up here, take the high out. If that is, that could be a wave 5 right there, and then we go. Okay, look for a short after that. Or if this is going to come hit the low and then come back in 3 waves and then go, that could be a short on that move. And this may be a London or New York move tomorrow or tonight. I don't know. We'll just have to see. So I'm just going to stay out of the market for the rest of the evening. I've had 2 good trades today. I took the long this morning, and I took the short today, and had a 180 some percent on that one, and 100% on that one. And so 2 good trades. I'm going to sit out, let the market develop, look for this to develop, and my bias is short, guys. My bias is short. Why is my bias short? Because this to me looks like 5 waves. This appears to be a 3-wave pullback. So I'm thinking short. I want to let it develop, see what it's going to do. Tomorrow is Friday, okay? So we might get a dumpy dump tomorrow. In other words, this could very well, play around up here, come up for another high, retrace a little higher to the 786 tonight, and then start working its way down like this, where we start getting a move down, get a retrace, and then get a dump tomorrow during New York or something like that. That's a possibility. It's an idea. And then what happens after that? Well, this starts trending to the downside. Maybe we hit a 4th wave and we go sideways here over the weekend and until we hit the final wave on Sunday, Monday, something like that. And then maybe we have another pump to the upside next week. So that may be what we're in store for, some kind of wave like that over the next several days. That's what I'm thinking right now. That's what I want to be watching for. what is the evidence? What is the chart telling me where it's going? But ultimately, remember the grand scheme of what we're talking about, guys, or what we're looking at. Remember, let's just zoom out here. Just starting at this top right here, what do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Looking at that 5, does that 5 look done? Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think we got 1, 2, 3. We're making 4, I think, and then we go down for 5. But is it possible that this 5 is finished? Yeah, it's possible. Look here. This is the 2-hour chart. We have divergence right there. Okay? We have technically a 5-wave count right here. Technically, you could call that 5. So it is possible that we reached the bottom already, guys. And this is actually reversal wave, okay? And we're just we just hit a wave 1, okay? An intermediate wave, maybe a small wave 1, and we're working on wave 2 before we get a bigger move to the upside, okay? In other words, we're working on a wave like this, where we got the 1, and now we're waiting on 2 to finish. And then we go up for 3. So let's cross that bridge when we get there. Let's let this develop here. Anyway, yeah, I'm temporarily bearish for now, but I'm not bearish, really bearish, like going down forever. I'm just looking for 3 waves to develop, and I'm tracking the wave. All right, any questions, guys? Somebody let me know how clear that explanation was.
Super clear.
Awesome. So, small time frame, guys. What I'm expecting is, some kind of I'm looking for this to develop somehow. This bigger move. So, the question is, does this get more complex? For me, that's kind of what do we get something like this, right? Or is it done? Oh, sorry. Is it done and then we go down now? That's really kind of where we are. And then once this finishes, retest the lows again, everybody gets really bearish. And then we go up for an ABC, or it's a reversal and we start pumping. So either way, that's what I'm looking at. Any other counts that I can potentially think of? Let me go to ETH, see if there's any other count. The correlation is not too bad. That looks like 5. Looks like 5, 3, 5. Yeah, I mean, this has to develop. I'm not sure if that's finished or not, but I want to see this. This could be done 3 ways. Yeah, and we could be working that. So, yeah, I don't know. It's hard. That's a hard wave. I'm just going to stay out tonight until this develops clearly, and I'm looking for a short. A, B, C. All right, guys. That's what I just wanted to keep it short and simple. That's what I'm thinking about. Every live is just kind of building on itself, building on each other. So looking good. Looks like we're getting a little pumpy pump right now. Let's see what we got going on. I had a feeling it was going to retrace. I'm glad I took my profit on that thing. Nice. Hour and a half till the candle close, daily candle close, so let's watch and see what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all have a great night. I'm going to go do a dress rehearsal. So let me know if there's anything you need. Just tag me. I'll be done. I'll be done around 9:30 to 9:45 East Central Time. So that's 10:30, 10:45 Eastern Time. If you need anything, I'll be back at the charts and looking around then to check in. Guys, I sold my couch today, the one that sits behind me in my live streams. So I have nothing to sleep on. It's sold. It's out of here. It's gone. It's getting real. Our house is a wreck. We got boxes everywhere, just half packed, and it's crazy. You should see my life right now. It's cray. It's cray. All right, y'all. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. I'll be around, okay?
Thanks, Jim. Have a good day.
Yeah, thanks. See you, buddy.